What's going on, boys and girls? This is going to be a really quick video. I was in the grocery store the other day and I was in the egg section. I really love eggs, scrambled eggs, boiled eggs, deviled eggs, any kind of eggs. I love them, that I always have. But my wife can't eat scrambled eggs. And I know one of my receptionists, she can't eat scrambled eggs as well either. She can't eat any kind of eggs, says she's allergic to them. So I saw these things in the grocery store called Just Eggs, and they're made out of a bean protein powder. So I was like, well, this cannot taste good. This has got to taste like some kind of school prison scrambled eggs or whatever. So I decided to try it. So it came out pretty darn good, and I want you guys to see how it fluffs up just like a regular egg does, and you'd be surprised. So if you're allergic to eggs, this right here has no eggs in it whatsoever. You got to try it. It is delicious. If you have a Publix around you guys, you got to go in there. It's called Just Egg. If you don't have one, I'm sure you can go online and order it from Amazon or from somewhere. All right, now this is the product right here. It's called Just Egg. Of course, now I've already tried it before, so I know they're good. And again, it is gluten-free, non-GMO, egg-free, dairy-free, cholesterol-free. Look at the ingredients. Ingredients, maybe the main thing is water, mung bean protein isolate, expector. Well, it's got a bunch of other stuff in there. I'm pretty sure it's got a bunch of preservatives and things like that, and it does contain soy. Again, you scramble it like an egg and you cook it thoroughly. So we're gonna show you how easy it is and how delicious it is. Alrighty, so we've got some oil in our pan right here. It's just regular old avocado oil. You can use butter, you can use bacon grease, you can use whatever the heck you want to use. We're gonna add our eggs to it. You got to shake this well before you use it. I'm going to add some salt and pepper and some garlic powder to it. And again, you just scramble it like you do an egg. Move it around. You could not imagine that bean powder or bean protein, and again, this is a special type of bean protein, could come together like this. And again, no eggs are in it whatsoever. No chickens were killed in the making of this video. So we're just going to stir them around. Look at that, they're coming together. I mean, not quite like eggs, but if you love eggs and you like the taste of eggs, that's all that counts right here. Because, I mean, they're scrambling just like scrambled eggs do. You keep them moving around. And again, they got a different kind of consistency than scrambled eggs. But still the same. Okay. Now I'm gonna have to put my camera down so I can put this in. Well, no. This is a non-stick pan here. So we're just gonna pour these over into the pan here, to the plate, not the pan, and they're done. That didn't take long at all. They look like scrambled eggs. They're the consistency of scrambled eggs, and look, they break up like scrambled eggs. Look at that. And the good thing is, they taste like scrambled eggs. That's what I like about them. So guys, you try these. Let me know if you like them. If you have a Publix in your area, really try to get you some. If you want to get you an egg taste without having eggs, that's what you got to do. So, really short video. Hope you like it. Take care.